Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma account verification issues in 2026. If you're not receiving verification emails, can't confirm your account, or the verification link is not working, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, make sure you entered the correct email address during sign-up. Even a small typo can stop the verification email from being delivered. Next, check your inbox carefully, including spam, junk, promotions, and all mail folders. Verification emails can sometimes be filtered automatically. Now wait a few minutes before requesting another verification email. Sometimes there is a short delay in delivery. If you still don't receive it, use the Resend Verification option and double-check your email address again before submitting. Next, make sure your email inbox is not full. A full mailbox can prevent new messages from being received. Now try opening the verification link in a different browser or incognito window if it does not load properly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using Figma in a web browser. Corrupted session data can block verification. Now temporarily disable VPN services, proxy connections, or browser extensions that may interfere with email or authentication services. If you're using the Figma desktop app, make sure it is updated to the latest version before retrying the verification process. Finally, if nothing works, contact Figma support and provide your account details so they can manually help verify your account. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma account verification issues. Your account should now be verified and ready to use without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.